congratulations. Medyo lalim. Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Yeah, ALB, si ALB tatanungin ko yan. Siyempre, ALB, eto matagal na kasi yung movie, no? Pero mukhang exciting naman, okay? Lalo na nakatopless lang. ALB, kasi kanina kausap ko sila Vanessa, sila Trisha, no? Sabi ko, ang bongga, mukhang maganda yung movie. Mukhang exciting. Tapos sabi ko nga, ang bongga kasi napapunta mo kaming lahat dito, inuna ka, kahit may tumapat sa'yo, di ba?
Thanks for everyone, to all our video friends. And thank you, June. Alam ko very hectic ang schedule mo. Inuna mo to kaya sa isang sa Paranaque pa yata yung isa.
Las Piñas yung isa ko. Palayuan, tapos may Tagaytay. Yung iba kasi parang hindi kumikita, ang tamad nila mag-promote, di ba? Hanggang story lang, kung mag-post, hindi mo na ma-post talaga sa IG nila, di ba? So ikaw, kakausapin mo ba sila? May mga inahanda na ba kayong promo for this movie?
Actually, that's a good question, June. Ang challenge kasi ngayon ng movie industry natin, at least we're thankful na slowly bumabalik na ang movie industry, ang tao na nanonood din ng sinyan. Kaya nga ito, this is a perfect timing. It took a while for me to decide kung kailan ko i-air na itong very exciting film para sa mga kabataan. Kaya nga, I need the help of all of you, especially the media friends, na let's promote it para na more. Very successful naman yung last movie namin, last one yung After All. So yun, tumulong naman yung mga artista doon, si Kevin at saka si Beauty na mag-promote ng pelikula. So it became successful naman. Ina-expect ko parang magaan, pero at least papaano, kumita ng konti at nagbigay ng saya sa mga manonood. But this time, this is most important na pelikula na magbibigay sa kabataan kasi there's a moral lesson on this movie. Hindi lang ito a good and fun time na pinapakita nila, but may issue dito ng mga every sa kanila individual have an issue. And especially it's very relevant now yung mental health. Nandito yung importante. Kaya I hope the artista, itong mga lead stars ngayon, especially when we did this film, most of them are just new in the industry. It took a risk to do a film na to launch nga sana itong mga new actors natin, the next leading men. But look at now, all of them are the leading actors of our industry. So it's a perfect timing. I think perfect timing na ilalabas ko dahil all of them are now the leading men.
Yes.
So I hope and I pray that our actors, all the artistas involved, to promote this film, na tulungan nila na ito ay para sa kanya, hindi lang ito para sa amin. Hindi ito para sa producer, hindi ito para sa mga creative team, sa production. Ito ay para sa industry natin. Para yung mga fans nyo ay bumalik na sa sinihan at hindi lang sa television makikita ang exposure ng mga artista para ang buong industry ay maging masaya, magkaroon ng maraming trabaho. Kaya ako ay hindi titigil gagawa ng pelikula. Every month, and next month, meron kami every month for the next 6 months, may lalabas kami mga pelikula. So ito ay para sa industry, kaya I hope na sa artista din yan. If they don't want to promote, they will not help us to promote, babagsak na naman ang industry natin. So lahat tayo magtulungan, media, producers, people in the industry, especially the actors and the actresses, help us to promote our film, and this is for all of us.
Yan, very well said, ALB. For the industry, I'm sure nakinig naman yung mga stars mo. At saka ang ganda, no? Kasi mga top leading men na silang
Hindi ba na, kaya lang absent lang si Ruro, I think Ruro, because nag-press ko na yesterday. Fairness naman to Ruro. Nag-press ko na siya yesterday. And then, Kiko, I don't know what I'm expecting that Kiko should be here, but I don't know what happened. I think he has other activities.
Yes.
And the other female actresses are mayroong busy, but these are actresses like si Michelle. This is her first movie ni Michelle. And this is the first movie of Katarina. And most of them also are first film. Ngayon, sikat na yung ito mga beauty queens.
Yeah, pero ang bench, they're having you din. Kasi di ba part sila dito?
Bench is part of
They're giving, ano ba,
may
billboard.
promo, may lalabas yung kanilang promo, itong sa mga in-store nila. So, in the next few days, lalabas na yung billboards nila, pati yung mga billboards nila sa mga provinces. And, yeah, and of course, Screen Entertainment, headed by, of course, by Philip King, and of course, si Direk Lino Cayetano. And we all of us nagtulungan para sa pelikulang ito. So, I'm so proud that finally I'm going to air the movie, and I'm finally that these actors are now the leading men of our generation sa pelikula. Kaya congratulations to all the actors, and this is the first film ni Philip. Itong first film mo, no? First yung sinulat na at the same time first yung dinirect itong pelikula. Kaya panoorin, sana tulungan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Thank you, ALB. After this movie, kasi ang dami nyo nang ginawa nila directly, no? Di ba?
Kami kahit yun lagi. Support
pero-
us.
Yeah. And finally, show, ipapalabas na kayo. Oo. So, ano yung kaibahan when you're doing this movie? As bago ka ba? Mas maluwag ka ba dati? Kasi pare-pareho yung mga baguhan na itong guys na to? Or mahigpit ka na?
So, number one, surreal yung feeling na dalawang movies. Pangarap ko mag-direct ever since. So, from zero movie to two, wow. So, in terms of how I direct, feeling ko same yung temperament kasi hindi naman ako galitin na tao. So, and then, yung ito, medyo ano to parang story of my youth So, being young, wild and free. So, live your best life yung slogan niya. As with Elevator naman, it's sort of me as more of a family man and a dad. So parang that live your best life for others. So parang mas, parang same message pa rin, inspirational, hopeful. Ayun, so...
At ang ganda, no? Kahit sila directly, no? Kasi they're part of this movie, no? Kasi alam ko kung gaano ka, ang Rain Entertainment Office, kung gaano ka dedicated
we
sa
always
paggawa
have
ng
each
project, di ba?
We always have each other's back. So, ayun, nung time lang na to, LU, Lina was mayor. So parang consultation namin, tawagan ganyan, versus yung Elevator, on-set si Lino. Kasi ayun.
Yan. Guys, gaano kayo ka-excited when you learned that you're going to do this project in 2019? Let's start with Derek.
Super excited po talaga kami, especially when I found out that I'm gonna be working with my friends. Masaya kasi this is something new. Masaya rin na minsan lumalabas talaga yung totoong kakulitan namin na lumalabas talaga yung personality namin. Kasi sometimes when you're doing a film or a character, kailangan may susundan kang character pero dito somehow lumalabas yung totoong kami. And nagkakaroon talaga ng ng chemistry sa amin. So, super excited. And of course, lahat kami bench models. So, parang yun din talaga yung parang, may parang competition, sino pinakabatak, mga ganyan. So, may mga ganun kaming healthy competition na feeling ko nita-drive naman sa amin to do our best.
Pero may nagtatanong na, singit ko na, bakit ka naman nahuli? May window hour, dumaan ka Makati.
Ha?
Dumaan ka. Sino ka nahuli kanina sa ano?
Ngayon?
Oo.
Coding.
Oo nga. May 10 to 5 p.m. Dumaan ka na Makati?
Opo, doon po ako nandun.
Dumaan ka na Makati. Yan. DJ.
Excited akong gawin yung palabas kasi yun nga, summer film at saka parang first time ko lang makatrabaho lahat sila na talagang as a group. So, yun, maganda rin yung story. So, yung binasa sa amin ni Direk Philip yung story, parang kwento ni ALV na ganito, ganyan. Masaya to kasi parang workation to. So, hindi na kailangan ibenta ng ganun kasi nalaman ko lang na makakatrabaho ko lahat to. Excited na ako, so sobrang masaya ako.
Ako po maganda yung sinabi ni TJ and ni Derek na workation nga to. there are moments in the film na parang it didn't feel like work kasi lumalabas lang yung sariling kakulitan namin. And during that time, and still now, sobrang excited ako na lalabas na po finally yung pelikula namin. And ang laki din po kasi ng hype ng pelikulang ito when we were shooting and we were about to air. But of course, there are things that happen na we had to adjust. But I do believe that everything happens for a reason, and I do believe that now is the right time na para ipakita po itong pelikula na to.
Yan, David.
I'm super excited, of course. Dati nga ng mga 2020 pa lang, 2021, kinukulit ko na si LV na parang ganito lang talaga ako, pare. Mancha lang. Uso daw yun ngayon eh. Oo, pare. Ayun, kinukulit ko si LV na, kailan i-air yung, yung GLU. Oo. So, ayun. Ngayon, lalabas na siya finally. Yun, excited na ako.
Stoic ka.
Yeah. Direct Philip, nung time na yun, okay, lahat sila game sa mga pinapagawa mo.
Oo naman.
Walang umartiyan.
So, wala. Ang pinakamahirap lang nilang ginawa, I think, yung surfing scene. Kasi may kailangan gawin doon si Derek sa si Enzo na mahirap. Yun lang yung pinaka parang madugo kasi parang pagod talaga, kailangan nila talaga gawin. So, pero for the most part, wala. Kasi the story naman, the way it's structured, lahat talaga sila may highlight per character. So,
Yeah, thank you, Direk. Yeah, si Catalina, eto na ba yung senyales na you're gonna continue with your career na dire-diretso na talaga?
Gusto ko pa sana kasi, hello, okay. When LV approached me for this movie, I was like, sige, I'll try it. And then nag-enjoy ako. And then, after I had a teleserye, and that time, I think that was really meant to be my debut into acting. Pero dahil sa pandemic, everything was put on pause, which is, as Enzo said, everything happens for a reason. And during those years, I was able to start a family. And so I have 2 kids for those. Since the movie, I didn't have any kids then, but now I have 2 kids, and feeling ko kung tuloy-tuloy na yan that time, I wouldn't have my kids today. And to be honest, I think once you have kids, gagaling ka talaga umarte kasi you become empathetic. I can cry on cue anytime now. I can be angry, ang daming emotions ko ngayon na I hold in as a mother, and marami ko din na kinakip ko sa loob ko na gusto ko ilabas, and I think the best way to do that is through acting. And before the pandemic, I really wanted to go all out. So now I hope that this is still my debut, and I hope this will be what will jolt my career forward.
Dalawa na pala anak mo.
Yes po, dalawa na po.
Alam mo, ang iniisip ko pa yung dating karelasyon mo na mayor na ngayon. You're married na.
So yes po, but I never promoted it or announced it.
Hindi ka din masyado update. Yeah, anyways, good luck. Good luck for your movie. Direct Philip, thank you. Siyempre, we're so excited. Ang gusto ko because of you, magpapa-black screening ako.
nandito si Charm, ayusin natin.
Kasi gano'n ko kayo kamali, alam mo naman.
Sige.
At saka si ALB siya, nakasumpa niya ako. Dito sila lang po siya. Yan, thank you.
Thank you, Sir June. Grabe. Diba? Palakpakan naman natin, Sir June.
Ano dapat siya?
Grabe.
Tapos umalis, French exit. Diba naman. Nalito rin siya.
Nagulat siya, parang napaisip siya. And then, kasi syempre, alam naman natin na ang showtime ay nasa GMA na. So when you be able to promote your film, lalo na Enzo is with ABS, then kayo lahat nasa GMA, so meron bang chance na magsama-sama kayo to promote your movie?
Actually, you know what? I don't think they're that strict in promoting Kapuso shows sa Showtime. Kasi I guested there once and I promoted my shows. And Miss Vice reminded me to, promote your All Out Sundays. So I think it's okay. Di ba? Kasi, yun na nga, ito na nga, wala na tayong mga network wars ngayon eh. United na tayo. So, sana pwede na. Yeah, di ba? Tsaka, ayun nga, sabi ni ALV, this is for the movie industry naman eh. And lahat naman makikinabang, lahat ng artista. So, hopefully, sana wala na.
Eric, may phone-in question lang dito. Ano daw feeling mo na nag-trend ka nung nag-guest ka sa show na?
Gulat nga ako, nag-trend ako, hindi ko alam. Pero, masasabi ko lang is, ang dami pa rin talagang hindi nakakalam na kumakanta ako. So, nakakatuwa kasi Showtime gave me a new platform din. And iba rin talaga yung viewers nila. Yung iba, first time lang ako makita, gano'n. Mga solid kapamilya talaga. So, parang nakakatuwa kasi nakakapag-guest na kami doon and napapakita na namin yung kakulitan namin. And they're very welcoming. Para kaming magkamilala ng matatagal na. Well, sila Kuya Vong, nakaka-basketball ko. Pero like the others, parang ano talaga, parang family. Yun.
Sample.
Ano, basketball?
Kanta.
Wala na. Wala akong boses. Uy! Ayun paos.
Ano lang, singit ko lang dun sa question ni JP. For direct, tanong ko lang ano yung reason why they went to LU, na silang magkakasama, tapos may conflict po ba na kailangan i-resolve, kaya po sila nagpunta doon. Ano lang pa explain?
Well, yung basic premise lang. So yung barkada nila, the 6 guys, they're called the VPC, Valley Boys Crew. Nakatira sila sa isang village, just childhood friends sila. So something happens na may ginawa silang kalokohan. So sabi ng parents sila, you're bad influences to each other, maghiwa-hawalay na kayo. So yun, this is the last summer of these lifelong friends. So nag-LU sila, tapos shenanigans happened that changed their lives even more. So parang ganun. So may some, that's not your friendship nila and all that. So,
Ayan, good afternoon. I have 2 questions lang. Kung pwedeng sagutin ng lahat na. Nung mabilis na lang siguro. Unang question, was there a time na nag-iisip nyo na ay baka hindi na maipalabas itong movie namin? Kasi medyo matagal na nga. Ano yung naging damdamin nyo at that time?
Kami ni David lagi niya ako mini-message, bro, yung GLU, papalabas pa kaya yun? Ganyan. Lagi kami nag-uusap. Pero, medyo, actually, sa dami na ng mga nangyari at sa sobrang busy namin lahat, syempre nakalimutan namin. Ako, aminin ko, medyo nakalimutan ko. Pero, nung nakita ko na parang lumalabas na ulit siya, sabi ko, oh, may ginawa nga pala kaming movie. Tapos, nung parang nagkaroon na ng mga dates, ng mga press con, ng mga promotions, sabi ko, oh, it's finally here. And naalala ko lahat ng mga masasayang moments and naalala kung paano ko siya gawin yung film. Na, yun lang naman, parang ano lang, parang na yung una parang, saan na kaya? Ganun. Tapos ngayon ito na. So nakakatawa.
So yes, there were a couple times I messaged Direct and even TJ, like, lalabas pa rin yung movie kasi yun yung baon ko during the pandemic, having 2 pregnancies, inihintay ko talaga para malalaman yung mga tao na kaya ko talaga umarte and that I want to also do this, and we had so much fun and grabe din yung development ng cast in their career from that point till now. So I follow everybody on social media and I think, wow, yung mga successes nila, the movie coming out at any time would be great for all of us. And I think also a reminder of humble beginnings. I think it's a first for a lot of us and the start for a lot of us. And as we keep saying, there's a perfect timing for everything.
well, for me also, since yun nga, parang panganay ko siyang anak, yung movie was all, and it's personal story also, so importante siya. So I guess, yung time lang, it was tough for everyone, the pandemic. I mean, even if medyo nag-wane na, di ba? Hindi mo pa rin alam kung when do you release it. So parang, I guess those were the things that were being considered. So, but I'm very happy na at least ngayon.
Yun, so ako na, mag-blast ka na, no? So, ayun, syempre kinakabahan talaga. Like, hindi naman kinabahan, pero every time na nakikita kami, laging yung topic namin, uy, kailan papalabas na daw, papalabas. Pero iniisip ko rin before, baka nga hindi na ipalabas. Pero yun nga, yung parang lahat nagtataasa na yung career, lahat sobrang nag-boom yung career, lagi namin pinag-uusapan. Sakto, pag lumabas to, mas okay. So nangyayari ang lahat, so parang feeling ko perfect timing talaga ngayon. So naiintindihan ko na kung bakit hindi pa siya naipalabas noon. So hopefully maging talagang opportunity to para mapanood ng lahat kasi this is it. This is the right timing.
Ako po syempre, Miss Rose, nung una. Sobrang excited po ako syempre, like everybody else. But of course, at the end of the day, a lot of things happen. And kami po, tiwala po kami kay ALB, our manager, producer, and also kay Direk, na ilalabas nila ito sa tamang timing. And alam naman po natin ngayon na sobrang init ngayon ng panahon, nasa 40, 41 na. So I believe that perfect timing itong GLU kasi pagpadagdag ng init ang pelikula namin. So, yun po.
Ang init. I think alam ko naman ipapalabas siya. Number one, syempre naman si LB, gumastos siya. Diba? So for sure, kailangan naman niya maibalik yung invest niya. Diba? I think it's just a matter of timing na, gaya ng sinabi nilang lahat. Dahil, ingay mo kasi, TJ, nakalimutan ko yung train of thought ko. Ano nga yun? Ay, nako. Ayun. Ayun, basta lalabas to.
Labas na nga, di ba?
Lalabas to. At saka perfect timing kasi kung isipin nyo, kung ngayon yun, lahat naman po yung may mga ginagawa. Diba? Si Katarina, nagka-family na. Si Derek, very busy guy. Diba? Sa Makiling, nakita niyo ba yung performance niya? Diba? O si Enzo, plantito na ngayon. O si DJ pa, diba? So ako rin may ginagawa. So I think yun lang din naman talaga yung year na pwede namin siyang gawin. And nag-pandemic 2020, 2021, 2022, diba? So last year was a busy year for me. So tama lang din naman eh, diba? And ayun, sana panoorin yung lahat at i-promote natin.
Okay, agree naman dahil parang blessing in disguise din yung nangyari. Dahil lahat nga kayo ngayon ay medyo established na. And my last question, para lang, mag-focus ako sa inyong apat na guys. Kasi yung, if you're aware, yung mga summer movies, talagang isa yan sa mga hit movies kasi parang Awakening, yung mga ganon, di ba? Young, Wild, and Free, sabi na. So, kayong apat in real life, meron ba kayong summer time sa buhay nyo na pwede nyong sabihin na wildest summer and why? And how? Yeah.
Siguro hindi wildest summer, wildest phase.
Ano?
Wildest phase ng buhay. Ganun.
Paano?
Siguro, syempre, normal naman yun eh, na sa amin, na nasa industry, na yung mga heydays namin, 20 to 24, yan, usually yung peak eh. Nagkaroon kami niyan. And ang maganda rito, yung kasama ko sa mga ganyan ko, is si David. Kaya talagang, yung kasama...
Totoo ba?
Lagi ko yung kasama sa mga ganyan. Kaya maganda, pag nandito na sa film, na ginagawa na namin yung movie, yun talaga yung yun talaga yung bonding namin, yun talaga yung ginagawa namin. And there are, syempre nandun sila Kat, sila Sofia, sila Maureen. So parang, parang nagta-throwback kami sa parang, uy, ginagawa natin ito dati, mga ganun. So, meron naman po, hindi naman mawala yan, pero siguro yung pinaka-important dito, as we grow older, is yung character development namin, and as we mature in our life, and makakita kami ng mga taong magpapasaya sa amin at magpaparealize sa amin na ito dapat yung trajectory ng life mo. Yun yung importante, siguro may growth kami lahat. Sa career, sa love, sa lahat.
Seryoso na din.
Dati diba? Kaya ngayon na nga kasi yun. Face lang kasi. Face.
Subjecto na lang.
wildest summer. Ako kasi ina-enjoy ko lagi yung summer. So dapat every summer mas pa-wild ng pa-wild. So kung wild ako last year, dapat this summer kita-kita tayo sa Boracay. Hindi, joke lang. So yun lang, nag-enjoy naman. Ako kasi more on ini-enjoy ko naman kasi every time na nagbabakasyon ako kasi tulad namin, nagkatrabaho, nagsusumikap. So every time na may chance kami na makapagpahinga, to celebrate with friends, family, talagang ina-enjoy naman namin. So I think we deserve, lahat naman tayo deserve mag-enjoy. So kung maging wild man, what happens there stays there. Yeah.
Ano sasabihin? Never ako naging wild eh. Hindi, joke lang. Of course, ako since 25 ako, nung 22 ako, joke lang. I had my own fair share, syempre sa moments na ganun. I can't say wild, siguro adventurous lang and explorative. Of course, being younger back then. Of course, very experimental ka, explorative, until mahanap mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay. And nung time na yun, I can say, I enjoyed that phase of my life. And syempre, like what Derek said, ibang phase na po kami ngayon. So, ang seryosohan na kami. Diba?
Ano yung question mo?
Ano ang wildest summer mo?
Well, this summer. Wala eh. Hindi, siguro nung mga college ako, uso kasi yung labor rakay. Bakit? Labor rakay. So, ano siya, parang Labor Day, punta kami ng Boracay, lahat ng mga, actually buong mga nasa college pupunta doon. Nakapunta ka doon, GP. Ay, hindi nakapunta. Iyon. So siguro yung mga moments na pinaghahandaan namin dati kapag bata ka, di ba? So,
Yung pang ano?
Hindi kasi si JP ka-age ko, baka lang din pupunta siya doon before.
Kaya in-explain talaga. Anyway, ayan. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Congrats sa GLU. Sana maging one of the hit summer movies.
Thank you, Ms. Rose.
Thank you, Rose.
Thank you, Ms. Rose.
Before we formally conclude today's festivities, I'd like to mention that we are inviting all of you again to our premiere scheduled for this coming Sunday, April 21 at SM Cinema 9, 6 p.m. Also, po tayo doon, and we'd like to take this opportunity as well to plug the other forthcoming releases from ALB Films. We have My Stepmother's Lover scheduled for June. Abangan nyo po yan. Again, that's My Stepmother's Lover. Once again, we would like to thank our friends from Kao Manila for making today's event possible. Palakpakan naman natin ang Kao Manila. Kao Manila, you will have a photo opportunity here with the cast. Please fall in line na lang po so you guys can have your chance. On behalf of ALB Films and the cast and the crew of GLU, this has been your